Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's make a barbecue chicken summer salad. So guys, for my salad I'm using romaine, some chopped romaine, and I'm just assembling that in my salad bowl. I'll also be julienning some carrots and also some red onions. I'll also be slicing some cucumber because what's a salad without cucumber, right? And we're just gonna set that aside. Then I'll also be chopping up some bell peppers, orange and red to be exact. Now it's time to assemble my salad, guys, but before I do that I'll be slicing my baked chicken. I already went ahead and I baked my chicken in the oven, so now I'm gonna slice it. Then I'll be placing that on the bed of lettuce along with my other vegetables. Guys, I also cooked some quinoa, so I'll be using quinoa and cranberries. And you're just placing that nicely on your lettuce. I also did some avocado, and you're just gonna leave that, as I said, very nicely. Then I'll be topping that off with some cheese. Yeah, and there you have it, guys, our barbecue summer salad. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications so you can get notified when I post new videos. Also, go ahead and follow me on IG at ALECIA'S_kitchen. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.